Hey everyone, it's Miss Work in Progress. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today, as I'm literally always super excited, but today I'm excited because I get to show you guys how I make air fried chicken wings, and it's gonna be delicious. So if you want to know how I make that, then stay tuned, or better yet, just come on. I just want to tell you how easy this is gonna be. The thing that I love about my air fryer is that it's so easy to make these chicken wings inside of it, and yeah, like the cleanup is like literally like next to nothing. Like literally, like you're gonna be blown away as to how easy this is and how delicious it is. So okay, so I literally have to stoop down now because I want you guys to see me. So yeah, so you're probably not going to be seeing my face for this part, but I went ahead and I did wash my hands so they're clean because I'm going to be seasoning my chicken with my hands. So as you can see, just to start, I went ahead and I washed my chicken in some vinegar, and I literally like chopped it up. Well, I didn't chop the chicken up, I just literally cut it up. So you have that like thigh part and the actual wing part. Yeah, so basically I cleaned it and it's ready to go. So the seasoning that I'll be using to base my chicken wings today is this jerk seasoning. I'm Jamaican and I love my spices, so there's this jerk seasoning. So I'm gonna do like a batch with some of this, and then the hot pepper sauce. To flavor my chicken, I'm gonna be using some black pepper and some garlic powder. I don't know if you can see, but some garlic powder, as well as some buffalo chicken seasoning. So I'm not gonna do a lot of seasoning on this chicken, because like the sauce right here, the jerk seasoning, I tried it today, just got it, and it's very strong. Like I feel like there's a lot of seasoning in this, and honestly, if I just put like this alone on the chicken, I feel like it will be fine, but I just want to give it a little extra kick. Okay, so my beautiful face is back. I'm just gonna show you guys if you can see the chicken. This is what the seasoned chicken looks like. It's all seasoned up and almost ready for the air fryer. Alright folks, so this here, right here, this is my baby. This is literally where the magic happens. This is the air fryer, and I'm just gonna get right into loading my chicken wings. And usually I like to put it in, I like to turn it on, and then I literally do it at like 375, and then I'm gonna air fry, so that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm about to just press start, and we're just gonna wait and see. I usually like to do it for maybe 20 minutes or like 10 to 20 minutes, and I think for me it depends on how it looks basically, so I like to check on it maybe every 5 minutes, and if I need to turn it, I will turn it. So there you go folks. Alright, so we started off at 20 minutes. I hope you can hear me above the air fryer going. So we're at literally like 9 minutes now. If you can smell it, oh my goodness, well you can't smell it, but it smells amazing. I'm just going to show you, take a peek, and this is the chicken wing right now. So that is it, like just cooking away. I'm still going to let it cook a little bit, but this is literally it. As you can see, it's literally cooking. I'm super excited because it is done. Ooh, look at that. Take a look at that beauty. It's literally still like sizzling. Like it looks absolutely beautiful, and it's done. I basically put it in for maybe the full 20 minutes because I like it when my chicken wings are cooked. You might not like yours like super crispy. So I'm going to be basting the chicken wings in this jerk seasoning, and I'm also going to base it into the hot pepper sauce. Oh my goodness, I wish you guys could smell how delicious these chicken wings smell right now. I literally cannot wait to taste them. I'm like tempted. I want to bite one right now. I'm excited. And then this one, I don't want to use the same spoon, but maybe I'll just do this just to get all of that hot sauce on that chicken wing, and maybe even this one. Get all that hot sauce. That looks absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to plate it for you guys. Look at that. Look at all of that goodness. Yummy, yum, yum. Wow, and this is literally keto friendly, guys. No oil. And if you find that you do this and it sticks to the grill in the air fryer, just add a little coconut oil over it, and it will just kind of stop it from. Okay, so this is literally it. Could you imagine this? This looks amazing, guys. And this was literally all done in the air fryer. So I got some celery with some Caesar sauce and carrots, as well as hot pepper chicken, as well as the jerk chicken. It looks incredible. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to eat it. And guys, don't forget to try this. It's super easy. I really hope you enjoyed this chicken, or just this video. I really hope you enjoy this chicken. But yeah, I think you're gonna love making it. So do, check out the link in the description below. You're gonna see for the air fryer. This is just incredible. Look at that. That's super tasty and super delicious. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I do hope that you enjoyed the process of me making these delicious air fried chicken wings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you literally want to comment. I would love to hear your thoughts on these chicken wings or on your experience using an air fryer.